Hi, this is Matt from Prestige Quoting, and in this very short video I'll be showing you a new feature for QuoteWerks users using the real-time and Etilize functionality. So previously with Etilize, QuoteWerks would need to create a relationship with the distributors and write the integration. Now, some distributors wouldn't have the necessary infrastructure, or getting a hold of the right person within the organization was difficult. I'm going to show you a before and after with 3 products that I've searched for. So here we have a Dell monitor, and QuoteWerks telling us using the native integration that we can get that item from Tech Data and Ingram Micro. For our Jabra headset here, we can get that from West Coast and Ingram Micro. And for our USB-C adapter, we can get that from West Coast Ingram Micro. Any errors you're seeing are just going to be my credentials that are no longer valid. If I now dive into some of the QuoteWerks options, I can now ask QuoteWerks, as well as the native distributors, to also query any local QuoteWerks product databases. So I'm going to pick a few that I've done a little bit of work on here. And again, if I now come back into QuoteWerks, we'll just recreate that. Come into my public favorites. I'm now able to see, as well as Tech Data and Ingram Micro, it's also found this same product within 3 of the additional distributors I asked it to search for. Now, typically in this example, they're all slightly more expensive. However, in this case, Exertis and Gamma and Midwich all have stock of this product, with Ingram Micro not getting it in for another week or so from the recording of this video. Again, going to our Jabra headset, originally we only had Ingram and West Coast. We've now got an additional 4 distributors that we're able to see from inside QuoteWerks. And going down to our USB adapter, again, previously we only had 2 distributors that we could get pricing and availability from. We've now got 6. This now gives you even more visibility into product pricing and availability from distributors you might be purchasing from. Now, one of your questions, I'm imagining, is, right, okay, this looks good, but where's the data coming from? So all these distributors that I've told it to also search for are using data that has been imported into QuoteWerks. A lot of these distributors will have FTP sites that we can download a CSV from and import. We can automate that routine entirely, including using a third-party tool that will, say at 4 o'clock in the morning, go to the FTP site, download that into a folder somewhere in your infrastructure, and it will do that for as many distributors as you like. So not necessarily just the ones that I've used in this short video. And then we might have a routine, say at 4:30 in the morning, that would go and import each one of those databases in turn. As I say, those processes are able to be entirely automated. If you have any comments or questions, please don't hesitate to get in touch. Thank you.